Hello. We encourage you to watch this short video before hosting a small group conversation of up to 8 people on our platform. Please note that after watching this video, you should also make time to watch how to join a conversation on the platform, since you'll be joining your conversation in exactly the same way as other invited participants. Being a host on this platform is easy. In just a few quick steps, you can create your host account, choose a conversation topic, get a URL, and send it out to other people. First, a little bit about the VoicesDMV platform. This is a free web-based video platform designed to support the VoicesDMV on-the-table small group conversations happening on and around Thursday, October 1st. As a host, you can organize as many small group conversations as you like, inviting up to 7 other participants to join each one. The integrated, round-based conversation guide will make it easy for you and other participants to step through your chosen topic in about an hour. If you have questions about the VoicesDMV platform now or anytime leading up to your scheduled conversation, please send an email to connect@allsides.com. Our team will get back to you just as fast as we can. Here's a little bit about platform requirements. To join face-to-face conversations on this platform, you and other participants will need to meet some basic technical requirements. For supported devices, it's best to join from a desktop or laptop computer, whether PC, MacBook, or Chromebook. iPads and iPhones are also okay and will be supported by our platform, but are less recommended because of the smaller screen size. Supported browsers include Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, and Safari. Note that the Safari browser is required if you're joining from an iPad or an iPhone. Please also note Microsoft Edge and Microsoft IE browsers are not supported because they're not compatible with the WebRTC protocol used by our platform. Additional requirements to join include reliable data network, which can be Ethernet, Wi-Fi, or cellular, a functioning camera and microphone, and a quiet place to join with little or no background noise. If you can't eliminate background noise, do consider using headphones with a microphone for a better audio quality overall. If you can't meet these requirements for our free integrated platform, of course you can consider meeting in person with social distancing in place, or use your own preferred meeting tool. Now, here's how to set up a conversation as a host. First, go to voicesdmv.allsidesconnect.com and click Get Started to sign up as a host. Second, go to the conversation guides and choose one that you'd like to use in your small group conversation. Third, using your own calendaring or email tools, invite other participants to join your small group conversation. We're going to show a quick demo of how this all looks inside the platform in just a second, but first, here's a quick look at what the platform looks like when you and other participants join. After signing in with your name and location, all of you will enter a screen that looks just like this. Up to 8 people will join on the platform, and your video names and locations will be displayed at the top, while the conversation guide will be built in at the bottom. And as you can see, it's labeled in multiple rounds. All you and other participants need to do is read the guidance and answer questions as instructed in each round of the conversation. Notice there is a conversation timer in the lower left-hand corner. This is here to help you keep an eye on the time. It will not force you to move rounds, nor will it end the conversation at a certain time. You and other participants choose the pace of the conversation. You can manage your own audio and video settings and even move your image around on the screen to a more convenient location if you wish. Note the button in the lower right corner. It says Proceed to Next Round. This is what you click to go through the rounds together. And at the very end, you'll exit to a feedback survey, which we ask you and all other participants to complete. Last but not least, if you run into any technical issues during your conversation, just click Need Help in the upper right corner for any issues you may encounter. Ready to see how this all works on the platform? Let's go. To host one or more small group conversations on the VoicesDMV platform, go to voicesdmv.allsidesconnect.com and click the Get Started button. You'll be prompted from there to create an account. Enter an email address, a password, your first name, last name, city, and state. Hit submit, and you're ready to go. Now that you're a host, you can create a conversation on our platform. Start by reviewing the available conversation guides in the library. You can open any of these to see the conversation overview, read the full guide in rounds, and print the guide if you wish. But remember, you don't need to. The guide will show up on screen as your group converses. Once you have chosen your preferred guide, just click Use this guide, then Create Conversation. The next screen that appears gives you the URL and other information that you will send out to your invited participants, which leads us to step 3, invite your participants. Now that you have your URL, you can send email and calendar invites to other invited participants. Use your own email or calendaring system to do this, or use the Google Calendar shortcut here at the bottom of the screen. When you click that, it will open a window with all of the copy that you need to include in your invitation for other guests. Wondering where to find that copy? It's right here. Cut and paste this directly into the email or calendar invite using the tool of your choosing. In your invitation, you should encourage invitees to review platform requirements and take the quick system pretest ahead of time. When you all click the URL, you'll see each other as well as the integrated conversation guide. We encourage you to watch the companion video, How to Join a Conversation Platform, for more details about the experience of what it's like to converse using our platform. Before you host your conversation, check to make sure that you yourself have the right technical setup. From the device that you plan to use, go under Resources and take our compatibility pretest. If prompted by the system, allow it to access your camera and microphone. If you pass the compatibility pretest, great. If not, you can go up to the Resources menu again, check our platform requirements, look at troubleshooting tips for more ideas, or click Support to enter a request for additional help. And one final important tip. Once you've created your URL, it belongs to you and only to you. That means that you can use it more than once, anytime you want. If you need to reschedule or want to host a second group on the same conversation topic, just send the URL around again. You can always find the conversations you've created and the associated URL by clicking the Home button at the top of the screen. Please note, if you want to choose a different topic, you'll need to start the process again. Select a new guide from under the Conversation Guides menu. This time I'll choose the one called Ensuring a Quality Education for All. Click Use this guide and create conversation. Once again, the system will give you a URL as well as a link to the conversation guide and other information that you can send out to invited participants. Each URL you create corresponds to a specific conversation guide. We hope you enjoy your experience as a host on our platform. If you have any questions or need help ahead of your scheduled time, just email connect@allsides.com. You can also click Need Help from inside the platform once you're in your conversation to submit a technical question or request. Thank you.